This is Vidisha. I have been meaning to start a YouTube channel for quite some time. After years of procrastination, I have really thought like, let me give it a shot this time. So here I am trying to vlog things that I'm going to do, try to talk to you on lifestyle, try to talk to you on money management and things like that, because over the years this is something, a skill that I've acquired, and yeah, that's why I wanted to open a YouTube channel to just give a brief introduction about myself. I am from Bangalore, been working for over 3 years now. I am exactly 23 right now, soon to turn 24 in a week. Yeah, 24 in a week. And so I graduated from Christ University, Bangalore, and then I was working for a company. Then this is the company that is second on my list. I had changed it, reason being I really wanted to shift my job profile. I wasn't really happy with the first one and things like that, and I'm not really comfortable sharing the company's name, because then companies have different policies and privacy things. So let's keep it that way first, and the second company for now, and in detail we'll talk later, probably when I get to know you all and things like that. And yeah, for now I've been pursuing CFA. I have cleared level 1. I was supposed to give level 2 in June 2020, but that got postponed due to the COVID. So in case you don't know what CFA is, it's Chartered Financial Analyst. It's a hardcore finance course based out of US. It has an Indian version of the same, but I am pursuing the US version of it, and it's a really good course. It's very interesting and things like that. If you're someone who is looking to invest money, or want to learn how stock market works, or you want to help people manage their money, build portfolios, be an asset manager, this course is something that you really need to look forward to. And yeah, it's a 3-level course, and then you have to have a 4 years of work experience to get your charter. So yeah, for my education I've done BCom, and then now I'm pursuing CFA. Yes, so and reason why I wanted to open a YouTube channel is, for over 3 years now, I have been living alone by myself, not taking a penny from my parents. It's not that I have any hard feelings for my parents or something like that. It's just that I wanted to be independent and explore that kind of a part, that how does it look like not to take a single penny from your parents and still manage. And yeah, I think I've done a decent job. And to start with, it was in 2017 that I graduated, somewhere in May, and then my job started on first week of September. So my salary is actually the main source of income for me, and that's how I've been managing. But even with a lot of salary that I see people around, they still end up asking their parents for money, which is it's up to them. It is up to their family. It is up to them. But if you want to learn how to manage money all by yourself, it's something that I would really want to talk about it, and that's why I was wanting to make a YouTube channel. I am not here to make money, or I am not here to do some fashion or something like that. It is just my personal experience, and if you could benefit for it, then that's great.